Sophia, do you know the expression, give it a try?
I'm not sure. What is it?
Try something, even if you are nervous.
Oh, I see. So just go for it?
Exactly. Don't worry. Just give it a try.
I like that. It's very positive.
So today, let's learn how to use it.
Yes. Let's practice together and give it a try.
Grab your coffee and stay with us.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
There is nothing like the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, Daniel. You are right. This Cape Cafe blend is wonderful. I feel more awake already.
I'm glad, because today we have a very useful expression to talk about. Are you ready for our English lesson?
I am always ready. Learning English over coffee is my favorite part of the day. What is our expression for today?
Give it a try.
Give it a try? I think I have heard that before. But wait, is it about giving someone a gift?
Not exactly, Sophia. Even though we use the word give, it's not about a physical gift. In this case, a try means an attempt or an effort.
Oh, I see. So give it a try means try to do something?
Exactly. It means to attempt something new, especially if you are a little bit nervous or if you are not sure you will be good at it.
Oh, so if I am afraid to do something, you can say this to encourage me?
Yes, it is a very positive and friendly expression. It is a way of saying, don't be afraid. Just start. See what happens.
I like that. In my language, we have similar ideas, but I love how give it a try sounds so encouraging.
Let's look at some examples. Imagine we're at lunch and I have a very strange looking green juice. You look at it and say, Daniel, that looks terrible. I don't want to taste that.
Knowing your healthy juices, I probably would say that.
Right, but then I would say to you, come on, Sophia, it's actually delicious and very healthy. Just give it a try. Just take one small sip.
Oh, okay, so I am giving the juice a try. I am testing it.
Exactly. It works for food, but it also works for hobbies or big life changes too.
Hey, quick pause for a second. If you're enjoying this, go ahead and like the video and maybe share it with a friend. All right, let's get back to it.
Oh, I have a personal example. Last year, I wanted to start a YouTube channel to help people cook, but I was so scared of the camera. I told my friend, I can't do it. I'm too shy.
And what did your friend say?
Sophia, you are a great cook. Don't worry about being perfect. Just make one short video. Just give it a try.
That is a perfect friend. And look at you now. You are doing a podcast.
Yes, I gave it a try, and now I love talking to the camera and the microphone.
That's great. Now, Sophia, there are actually a couple of other ways to say this too. You might hear people say, give it a shot or give it a go.
Oh, give it a shot? Like taking a photograph?
Good question. The word is the same, but the meaning here is just to try. It's very common in American English.
And what about give it a go? That sounds different.
Ah, yes. Give it a go sounds very British, but it means exactly the same thing. British people love that expression.
So I have three options. Give it a try, give it a shot, or give it a go. They all mean the same thing?
Exactly right. They all mean don't be afraid, just do it. These expressions are really encouraging.
And that is exactly why we wanted to share them today. To everyone listening, maybe you are afraid to speak English in public. Maybe you think your pronunciation is not perfect.
Don't worry about that. We all make mistakes. Sophia and I make mistakes too.
It's true. The most important thing is to start. So today, find one person to speak English with, or write a comment below this video using our expression. Just give it a try.
Yes, write to us. We want to hear from you. What is something new you want to do?
Well, Daniel, my coffee is finished, and I think we covered a lot today.
Thank you, Sophia. This was a great talk. To our listeners, thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Wow, Sophia, we really learned a lot about give it a try today, didn't we?
We sure did. It's a very positive way to start something new.
And now we want to hear from you. What is one thing you will give a try this week?
Yes. Tell us your stories in the comments below. We read every single one.
And if you like this lesson, please hit the like button. It really helps our channel.
Thank you for staying with us. You are doing great. Keep practicing.
Take care, and remember, just give it a try.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.